Students, today we will learn about polynomials. Before knowing about polynomials, let us have a look on algebraic expressions. Let us take an example: 3x plus 5y minus 9. This can be written as 3 into x plus 5 into y minus 9. You have seen this type of expressions in class 8th. Here 3, 5 and 9, these are numbers, or we can say numerals. X and y are letters, and here operation sign: multiply, addition, multiplication, and this one is a symbol of subtraction. When we see the expression like this, or particularly here, this expression is called algebraic expressions. What is an algebraic expression? We can define the expression as n n expression that contains numbers, operations, and one or more variables is called algebraic expressions. For example, x upon 7, 3x plus 4, x into y, x minus y, 3x plus 7, etc. Now, parts of an algebraic expressions. First of all, we can take terms. Taking this example, 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4, this is an algebraic expression, and here 3 is multiplied by x and x is multiplied by 3, where 3 is a number and x is a variable. This will be one term and this will be second term. So we can say here in 3x plus 4 we have two terms as first one is 3x and second one is 4, because both the term 3x and 4 are combined with an addition symbol, plus. Here it is plus. So first term and second term. Here we have only two terms. In example xy, we can write it x into y. Here there is no plus or no minus between x and y, only multiplication sign is there, so this one will be only single term. This will be of single term. The definition of term can be written as the parts of the expression which are combined by plus and minus sign, or we can say symbols. नाउ कोफिशिएंट, जिसे हम हिंदी में गुणांक कहते हैं. In example 3x plus 4, the numeral which contains a variable is 3, which is multiplied by any variable is 3. So this 3, although it is a number or numeral, it is multiplied by x, or we can say x is multiplied by 3. So this will be coefficient. This is called coefficient. Here the definition of coefficient will be numerical factor of a term that contains a variable is called the coefficient of that variable. Now look at the example 3x plus 4. Here 3 is multiplied by x, or we can say x is multiplied by 3, and in this term there is a variable x which is multiplied by 3. So this 3 will be called coefficient of x, and this 4 will be constant, or we can say it as a fixed value. Coefficient, variable and fixed value. Now we will try to define a variable. Here you are able to see this example 3x plus 4. Here we have x as a variable. Now we will try to define variable. A symbol, or generally we use a letter of English alphabet that we can put it in bracket, that represents one or more numbers. It gains its different values according to given conditions. Again, let us take the same example. 3x plus 4 is an algebraic expression. When in this expression we put x is equal to 1, we will get 3 into 1 plus 4 is equal to 3 1 is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. When we put x is equal to 2, we will get 3 into 2 plus 4 is equal to 3 2 is 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. When we put x is equal to 3, we will get 3 into 3 plus 4, 3 3 is 9 plus 4 13. Here x can gain its different value as 1, 2, 3, so it is called a variable which can vary its value. Vary माने होता है बदलना, constant. Let us try to define a constant. This is a term with no variable. In an algebraic expression, it is a term with no variable. 3x plus 4, this is the constant. How it is constant? Let us see. When we put x is equal to 1, this expression gets its value 3 into 1 plus 4 is equal to 7. When we put x is equal to 2, it will be 3 into 2 plus 4 is equal to 10. When x is equal to 3, it will get its value 3 into 3 plus 4 is equal to 13. 3 3 is 9 plus 4 13. This expression gets its value 7 as 10 as 13 according to the value of x, because the value of x is varying here, so x is a variable. We can see here whether this term having a coefficient and a variable, it can be changed, but 4 is always 4. Whether when x is 1, we can take 4 as a 4, it has a fixed value. X is equal to 2, this will be vary, but 4 is constant, 4 is again 4, and it can't vary its value. Again, when x is equal to 3, this term gets its new value as 3 3 is 9, but 4 doesn't change its value. So the 4 will be called constant. Let us take some more example of algebraic expression. 2x minus 3y plus 9. This is an algebraic expression having how many terms? Can you tell me how many terms are there? There are 3 terms. First, second and third. Terms are 3. We can take it as, we can represent it as terms. Variable, there are 2 variable x and y. This will be called variable. This 9 will call constant, and 3 and 2 are coefficients. Taking one more example, 2x plus 4y minus 9. Here 2 and 4 are connected with variables. These two are coefficients. X and y are unknown values which can vary according to the condition. So both are variables. 9 can't change its value, so it will be constant. Now let us try to define a term. Terms are those parts of any expression which are connected with plus and minus sign, only with plus and minus sign. Here in this expression we have 2x, 4y and 9 which are connected with plus and minus sign. So the number of terms will be 3. 2x as first term, 4y second and 9 the third one. There are 3 terms, so terms are 2x, it's 1, second one is 4y, and third one is 9.